Hi, I'm Roberto,
I'm Brad.
and today we're going to talk about the 1848 fold method for our flow-through pillow packer. Traditionally, you'd see this with a protective sleeve on it, but today we're going to leave it off so you can visually see what we're doing.
Once you've got your fiberglass wetted out, folded to the middle with your 1-inch overlap, we're going to position the packer where your first fold comes to this far edge. And your second fold all the way over and tucks under. Now we're going to fold the packer and fiberglass together. And at this point, you would put on your zip ties and secure it to the packer.